Roger.
Hello, Ethel. When are you going to give away all this and marry me?
You better get in there, Roger. The minister wants to see you urgently.
Moves to door. Hello.
Come. Glad we caught you, Explosion, before your holiday in Greenland.
Holidays to Greenland can wait, Minister and Ethel, when Operation Java is threatened by criminals.
Good show. Tell me, Explosion, what do you know about Project Spaceship?
Project Spaceship. Only that our satellite systems in outer space rely on Project Spaceship to do activities to protect it from Russian spies and espionage. And also that it was invented by ex-Russian physics professor Brian Curtis, my best friend from Cambridge recently, who's gone missing.
Very good, Explosion. But it's much worse than you think.
Roger, the professor's been kidnapped.
Kidnapped? Aye! No. And yet... Who could be responsible for such a dastardly action? Wait a minute. It must be Buto! Buto, I tell you. Yes. Oh, he's really going to pay for this.
Calm down, Explosion. You're obviously far too emotionally involved. I'm taking you off the case.
Off the case? No! The friend is my professor. I shall go after him.
Explosion, hand in your gun. That's an order.
Ha ha! Your orders can go to Hades, and so shall you.
Roger!
Let him go.
Must save Professor Curtis and stop Buto doing things to Operation Spaceship.
I'll never talk, Buto.
Oh, come now, Professor. Surely there must be something that we can do to make you cooperate. Ooh. You are gonna regret the day that you were born, Professor. I'm going to cut you really bad.
Hey! You're not going to cut anybody, Buto.
Explosion. I might have known.
Buto! Stick your hands up, you bum.
You're under arrest, Buto!
Ethel, no! Ha 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 ha! The tables are turned now! Explosion. Oh, sorry.
Don't try to follow me, Explosion, or I will destroy her.
Roger!
Don't worry, Ethel. I'll save you. Aye. Professor. Thank heavens you're all right. Praise the Lord.
Roger, it's good to see you.
It's good to see you, my friend.
You probably want to ask me about Operation Space.
Yep, sorry. Yep. Is Operation Spaceship safe?
Yes, don't worry about me. Go after Ethel. She loves you.
And I her. Look, out of the window. Buto's escaping with Ethel in his secret Zeppelin. I must get after her, but how? Wait a minute. Professor, do you still know how to make a jetpack?
You'll pay for this, Buto.
No, I won't, baby.
Oh, you won't, will you? Drop that gun!
Roger, there's a bomb on board.
Silence! Oh, so that was your plan. Did it include this?
Roger!
Stewardess, get the pilot there to call the police.
So long, suckers.
Roger, there's only one parachute.
Not where I'm going, baby. Okay, Buto. Are you going to come along quietly?
Well, if I do explosion, you're gonna come with me.
With Buto dead, Professor Curtis alive, and Project Spaceship in Western hands, we can all rest easy. Well done, Explosion.
I don't know how you saved me, Roger, but I'm glad you did.
Thanks for rescuing me too, Roger. Sorry.
More tea, anyone?